Hey guys, it's Malham, and in today's video I have a review of the 21-day nail system from Color Club Nail Lacquer, and I will be showing you my first impressions and how to perfectly apply it. But before we get started, here's a little bit of information about the product. It was $20 at my local Walmart. It comes with primer, activator, finish, gloss, 3 dip colors, and a buffing block. On the back, it does have some very helpful instructions. However, the process itself was very easy to do, so I ended up abandoning the instructions about halfway through. I've seen a lot of products similar to this. They are becoming really popular this year. However, most of them can cost up to $100. They are very, very confusing from what I've seen. This one, however, was really simple, and I thought it was pretty cool that not only was it really easy to do, it lasted long, and it gives you that professional look. So let's get started. So like I mentioned earlier, the kit comes with bond, activator, finish, gloss, 3 dip colors, and a buffing block. Before we get started, I want to mention that I am doing this on a fake nail because I didn't want to damage my natural nails in case I messed up, but this exact same technique can be applied to your real nail. So let's get started. First, I'm going to give my nail a quick buff and then apply the activator. And right away, while that is still wet, I'm going to dip it into the color and quickly pull it out and then tap off any excess. Once that is completely dry, I'm going to apply another coat and repeat the steps until it is completely opaque. Next, I'm going to apply 1 coat of activator, let that sit for 2 minutes, and then buff it a little bit just to smooth it off and get any of the bumpy areas smoothed out. And then finally, I'm going to apply a glossy top coat. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe over here. If you want to see how I actually applied the false nails, you can watch over here, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!